Cold start on the ZR1. Beautiful. Pretty loud. New color, Competition Yellow, Hysteria Purple. Welcome back to Drive 615. My name is Byron. We're headed up to Bowling Green from Nashville to check out the ZR1, but first, cold start. So unfortunately, we're not driving the Z06 up there. Our detailer is coming to clean my car and my wife's car, so I'm taking the Mercedes up there. But here is my 2017 C7 Z06. Those of you that don't know, this is what I drive on a daily basis. It's the E-Class Mercedes. No push to start, but gets the job done. Goodbye, Nashville. This might be one of the first Corvette ZR1 boats. Look at that. All right, we made it. And we're gonna kick it off with my buddy Jeremy and his new Amplifi Orange E-Ray. And if you guys remember, he came down from Bowling Green to Nashville to let me drive his C8 in Sebring Orange
Stingray.
Yes, sir. So let's check out the new E-Ray. This thing is
Amplifi Orange. Just picked it up 2 Mondays ago here at the National Corvette Museum. Just got over my break-in miles.
Perfect.
Yesterday, 2 days ago, I was able to have a lot of fun with it.
That's awesome. You know, it looks gorgeous, and you're sitting on some custom wheels.
Yeah, Aerodynamics Hurricane 2.0 version.
Beautiful.
Chet Bay and I worked together on that. A little bit of a change up with the designs like I had on my Stingray. Great, amazing, it's phenomenal. I enjoyed my Z06, but this has some crazy get up and go with all 4 wheels getting that drive.
That's
power.
awesome. Let's take a look at the interior. This is a unique Artemis interior.
So it's Artemis interior. I went with it with all the carbon fiber pieces as well as the stealth package for the grills and so forth in there. It's one of 2 E-Rays and 1 Z06 that were Amplifi Orange and Artemis interior.
Awesome, man. Love it. Well, let's get a cold start on it.
Let's do a cold start.
And then we'll continue down the lineup and check out the rest. Wow. Dang. Pretty throaty. Wow. That's throaty, my man. Well, congrats.
Thanks, man.
We'll continue down the lineup, but awesome to see our friends doing well. So
Good to see you guys.
check out the rest. See ya. C8 there in red mist, and then we've got an E-Ray and the new color Competition Yellow. This is great. You can see what it looks like in sunlight and in shade in one single shot. So there's what it looks like in the direct morning sunlight, and there's what it looks like in the shade. Got the black and yellow wheel combo here. It's got the stripes on it. This is an E-Ray convertible. Take a look through here. As you guys know, the back end of the E-Ray is similar to that of the C8. The Z06 is where you get the center exit exhaust, and then of course we'll take a look at the ZR1s here in a second. There you go, take a look. Add it again here. Yellow seat belts on this one, very nice. Got a C8 right here. This has got the new Z51 wing on it, which is kind of like a, not a low wing, not a high wing, maybe like a mid wing, we could describe it. It's got those little side flares on it. We'll take a look down through here. All right, what you've all been waiting for. We're gonna get them to take down these barriers here in a second. What do you think of Keith's new E-Ray?
Nice automobile.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. But my buddy Keith from Corvette Blogger, this is what he wants.
Nice.
The exact spec, Hysteria purple. He's gonna enjoy it. Convertible, 5-spoke chrome wheels. This is the one. This is the one, Keith. You deserve this. You're gonna get this. That's right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Keith has been a long-time supporter of the Drive 615 channel. He runs the page Corvette Blogger, which potentially some of you guys are seeing this on right now. So I appreciate all you done, Keith. Just wanted to give you a little shout out. We appreciate the support here at Drive 615, and I hope you guys love seeing the new Corvette content. Here it is, the all-new 2025 Corvette ZR1 black edge blue stripes, edge blue painted wheels, a unique spec, and you guys are getting to see it here first on Drive 615. So if you haven't already subscribed and you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe. Oh wow, couple low revs there. Nice, nice, nice. Some light revs. This car's only got 5 miles on the clock, so he really can't rev it up too high. This is really just like a demo vehicle that they're showing off here. Wow, it sounds pretty throaty. I think I like it. I think I love the look of it now. This one's just got the regular wing on it, not the optional big ZR1 wing, but it's still gorgeous. I'll walk around here and show you some more just in a second. It's like he's going through some menu settings in there. I don't want to bother him while he's checking that out, but take a look at it. Louver design in the rear, split window, which is very cool, kind of a homage back to the original Corvettes. You'll see here, this one's fully carbon on that split. This one is actually painted black on the split, carbon on the outer, but black down the middle. And that is a louver design, and it does look like, similar to on the C8, water could get down through there as well. Obviously that used to be the thing that people were worried about, water getting in the engine bay, but it looks like through there, water could kind of waterfall and trickle down. But they're just kind of letting it get warmed up here, let some juices flow. And while it's warming up, let's take a quick look around. The biggest change you'll notice right up here in the front is the flow-through effects. That is for added cooling, because sitting right up there, as you can see here on the cutout, is this massive radiator. So this front area is functional from the car's perspective, but unlike the E-Ray or the C8, you're really not going to want to store stuff up here. It really just provides for additional cooling with the carbon fiber front splitter. Got the edge blue painted aluminum wheels. Very unique design. I do like here how around the Corvette logo it's actually black on that center cap, and that's a nice touch. Carbon fiber all along the side. And take a look at this carbon fiber wishbone bezel here around the air inlet. ZR1 fully blacked out. I think it'd be cool if the one in ZR1 was blue as well, but it is what it is. Take a look up through there. We got more flow through cooling straight through here as well as through there. Take a look back here. And there's that split window design. All right, so actually a good call out here that I missed. This is for airflow or induction into your intake. So imagine if this was here, intake sucks air in, flows it down through here into your air filter and through, and ultimately into your engine. Thank you so much.
The simulator's hard for them.
Okay, awesome.
Oh yeah.
You got ZR1 there. Oh yeah, over there on the side. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Take a look at the new stitch. Got ZR1 down there. I like that new stitch on the door for sure. And then ZR1 there. So these are the major differences between that and the interior of the rest. Cold start on the ZR1. quicker than that. I've got a Z06 and it stays pretty high for a while.
That light up's a little quicker in the LT7.
All right, they've got to readjust it, so took this as a chance to get some footage of it moving. I know people have seen it moving, obviously, at the reveal and some other spots, but take a look at it in the sunlight. Oh, wow. Those edge blue wheels are popping. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I really like seeing those edge blue stripes in the light. It looks a lot different than in the shade, so I'm glad we were able to see both of it. And there it is, the new ZR1. Look at that. You really get a lot of depth when it's in the sunlight. You can see that front flow through on the hood. When it's in the shade, you kind of lose that depth perception of it, so to speak, and it doesn't look as deep. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We're headed back to Nashville now. My camera died, so I'm filming on my phone, but I really was excited to see the ZR1. I'm glad we got to check it out, see it in the shade, see it in the light, see it moving, hear it starting, hear a few little revs. It was under 2,500 RPM, just little bitty blips of it. We'll start to see more videos of it soon as I hopefully capture it out in the wild or go on some press drives or something, but I'm excited to see what's to come. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm at 160,000 subscribers now. I'm trying to hit 200,000 by the end of the year. I know we can do it, but we can only do it if you help out and subscribe. So please do, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.